Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. We're gonna make a perfect recipe for this chilled weather. Let's see how to make this creamy garlic soup. For that, you need some fresh cream, some chopped potatoes, chopped onion, and some spring onion. And of course, some garlic. So into a pan, add some olive oil, add the chopped onion, saute it. Add the chopped spring onion and saute until it becomes translucent. Once it becomes soft, add in the garlic and some dried parsley. Saute it again. Now add in chopped potatoes. Mix it with the onion. Into this, add in chicken stock. So we're gonna cook the potatoes in chicken stock. So I made the chicken stock with enough salt and pepper. So I'm not gonna add any salt at this point of time. At the end, you can check and add it accordingly. Mix it in between and cover the pan and cook the potatoes. Once it is nicely cooked, using a blender, blend all the potatoes and onions really well and make it creamy. Now add some fresh cream, mix it. Once the cream is nicely mixed in, bring it to a boil and turn off the flame. Finally, add some spring onion and mix it. Now our soup is ready. Now let's make some bread croutons for the soup. So into a pan, add some butter, and once the butter is melted, add some bread pieces. Saute that in the butter, and once it changes its color to a golden brown shade, our croutons are ready. Now let's serve the soup. Into a soup bowl, add the garlic soup. Add some spring onion and some bread croutons on top. And our creamy garlic soup is ready. So definitely try out this amazing recipe. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.